You know, we've done a couple of old fashions. Let's do something slightly off the old fashioned path. Welcome back. Today, I'm going to create the American Trilogy. Now, the American Trilogy actually has its basis from Milk and Honey by Richard Boccato. B-O-C-C-A-T-O. If I just messed up on saying that name, I do apologize. While training, he had the fortune of working alongside Michael McElroy. And he questioned about maybe we can make a version of our household fashioned with not so standard ingredients. And this drink was the creation, the American Trilogy. As I said, it is very much like an old fashioned, just slightly variant from how maybe I would create the old fashioned, but still very much the same all the while. Let's make it. It's not a shaken cocktail, it's not a stirred, it's a build in a glass. So, grab a rocks glass. And to this, I'm going to add a brown or Demerara sugar cube. And I need orange bitters. So of course, I'm reaching for Regans, Angostura is fine, Fees is fine, pick whichever. And I'm gonna go 4 dashes of orange bitters. Now I need club soda. Still fizzy. And I need approximately a bar spoon of club soda. And now, take your muddler, and you're going to create that little bit of a paste. Outstanding. Now for the alcoholic component, need apple brandy. This is Laird's straight apple brandy, bottled in bond. I need an ounce of apple brandy. And to maintain the bottled in bond 100 proof idea, I need rye whiskey. I'm going to be using Rittenhouse, bottled in bond. Outstanding. And now, big ice cube in like so. Grab the bar spoon, give this a stir. I stirred about 25 times. It says to stir about 15-20 times. I went about 25. Garnish, need an orange twist. Go off of this, in like so. And this is an American Trilogy. Cheers. That's cool. That's nice. No, that's very nice, actually. The rye, the apple brandy, the orange bitters, the sugar, the sugar comes in a little earlier than you may expect. But then the orange helps carry through the rest. You get the sugar that begins as the base and is carried through by the orange bitters and the orange oils from the peel. Then you get the flavor of the rye and the apple jack, the apple brandy. This is good. You know, highly recommended. If you are a whiskey drinker, maybe looking at other spirits, pick up apple brandy, make an American Trilogy. Maybe look at other apple brandy cocktails such as the Jack Rose, and really begin your evolution in creating this and getting into bartending. This is nice. This is good. If you liked the video, then please hit the like button, comment, subscribe, and share the video, please. Let's get some engagement going on. I want to hear from you. So, leave a comment, leave ideas, let's have a discussion in the comments below. If you want to use any of the barware that I use on my show, check down below to a link to kit.co, which houses Everything I utilize in my bar, aside from the alcohol and maybe some of the ingredients I use for my syrups, of course, but they are all Amazon affiliate links, which means you know what that means. Check all my socials down in the description below as well. Until next time, thank you for watching. I will be back real soon with another cocktail. This has been The Beginner's Bar.